everything wireless nowadays is easy to push aside the things that are wired. Because we like the idea of not being tethered. We have wireless headphones, we charge our phones wirelessly, we even connect our phones wirelessly to our cars.
And although those things are really cool to be wireless, sometimes we just like to have the simplicity of being wired in. Especially with like headphones, because you don't have to worry about charging them, you don't have to worry about connecting them, powering them on, and you also really just don't even have to worry about connectivity problems like it cutting out and stuff. And so that's why today we have a pair of wired headphones.
And not only that, but they are built to last. They claim that they have a durable wire and everything else is made out of aluminum. And that seems really cool because I remember my headphones in the past, they were made out of plastic, they'd break, the wire would just stop working out of nowhere one day. And so I'm actually curious about these.
Yeah, I remember a lot of headphones that I had like this that would just break really easy. And these do look elegant. They look really good and they look durable. So let's bust them open and see what we get. Gonna need a knife.
That Chinese tape, indestructible.
All right, got a simple little package here with a nice display and a hard to open up package. Let's go, come on.
Ooh. Oh, that's nice.
Nothing in there. Got some registration and instructions.
Look how they align all of the sizes up here, just nicely into the foam.
That's nice.
I'm used to getting them in like a little baggie where it's
Yeah.
just like, oh, here are your sizes.
Yeah, they're always like
Pick it
squished
up.
up and they don't fit in your ear right.
Exactly. Some get molded all weird. No, they actually spent their time and they put them in there just individually, nice and elegant.
You just maybe can't get them out. There we go. Nice, look at that.
You're right, that is hard to get out.
Yeah.
If you don't have fingernails, you're screwed.
We got this little sticker here. GGMM.
GGMM.
Go ahead and go for it.
How do you do it? Just
I'm letting you do it.
grab the cord and pull. It says
That's
it's
right.
durable.
Yeah, do it.
Just yank it out. Wow, that is hard. Oh, there you go. You just split it open. Okay, there's a back.
Oh, look
piece.
at that. There's a bag.
Make sure you do that. Oh, it comes with a bag and
Ooh.
wow.
And silicone.
Oh, that's a nice bag. It's sort of like a suede.
Yeah, like looks like suede. Feels like. It doesn't feel like.
Yeah, it almost feels like a thin leather.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? And that's a nice bag.
Wow. That
The bag
that
alone is
nice
worth
right
it.
there. Ooh.
Okay, here, let's get these guys out of the way now. Okay.
All right, Mission Impossible. Not
No
impossible.
kidding. Take this little guy
Round
off.
2. We got little clips here.
Ding,
All
ding.
right. Dang. I'm really digging this thing. I love this like gunmetal look with the red wire.
Yeah, it's a good little.
That is a nice
compliment.
look right there. And look at the length of that.
That's pretty good. Oh, do you get a little? You get a little slider here. Oh, it's a metal ring.
Oh, that is cool.
I like the metal ring. I'm used to like like the plastic ones that
Yeah.
just snap apart and all that. This
So that's
is
not
cool.
gonna snap off.
And we do have a single button here, so that means no volume control. But you can play and pause, skip to the next song, go to the reverse song, and all that fun stuff.
Well, looks aside, let's take a listen to these things. Play some music. Go ahead and put those on mic. You will try them out first.
I get the honors, do I?
Get the honors.
Okay, which left and right?
That's a good question. Does it have left and right on it?
Right.
Oh, it does. It does.
I swear I
has
saw
it.
it before. I was like, I don't see it anymore. That's a good fit. Oh,
Yeah.
comfortable.
That's good.
Nice.
All right, let's get some music going.
You and I were
Ooh.
always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time.
I can hear that bass.
Break up just because I told you what I did last night.
That sounded good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wow.
Must be loud because you're screaming at me.
then they're doing their job. You're not supposed to block the world out. That's the way headphones need to be for me. It just needs to block the world away.
All right, I'm going to use the button to push play. Let's go.
Go for it.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. with the black lights.
Oh my gosh.
Sounds good, yeah?
Dude, there's like, I'm surprised how much bass is in there.
I know.
That is crazy. And everything else sounds really good too. Like, it's a good
Everything's-
mix.
Yeah, it actually sounds so good. It makes the song sound like it's not as good.
It's like when you're watching a 1080 on a 4K on screen, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, you can kind of see the
catch my
fuzziness,
drift.
so you kind of hear it.
Or playing a GameCube on a 1080 screen. It just doesn't look as good. That being said, they do sound really good. So you get this nice look, and they sound good, and they're really cheap too, aren't they?
Yeah, they're $20 on Amazon.
$20.
$20.
Now, to me, $20 pair of headphones, that's like the cheap ones you pick up, and you don't expect much from them.
So the last thing to test on this is durability, because it says that it's durable. So let's put it to the test. Let's see if we can.
Are you? Oh, no! Stop.
Makes you cringe, huh?
Okay, I don't know. Are you serious right now?
Ugh. Ow, that hurts. That is a strong.
He's really trying to break
cable.
it, dude. Stop.
I mean,
Oh, look, you got a mark in there.
I got a mark, but I almost feel like it's gonna go away.
Here.
I mean, I think
No,
of course
maybe
it
not
has
where the
weak points.
connect.
Yeah.
Not where the weak point is.
This
The-
is
the
gonna hurt
cord
my
itself.
hand.
This is gonna hurt. Oh my! I'm kind of scared.
Ow.
Here,
Ow.
Oh! Okay, that was almost all I can pull. How? How?
Well, I would say it's durable. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, even this, like,
These are so nice, I almost hate to break them, but I kind of want to break them to see where the point is.
I mean, it's made out of aluminum. I don't think you could.
We're gonna hurt our table if you do
I don't
that.
think you could really damage these. I mean, like, unless you had a hammer or something. But like having this in your backpack or in your pocket, or even if it like accidentally grabbed something while you're walking, I don't think it would ruin the cord. It'd probably just pull out your phone and then be fine.
I'm not kidding. I don't. Any wire, anything. If I pulled on it the way I just did with these, it'd break. It'd be broken right now. I'm genuinely impressed by this. I'm actually a little horrified by how
Did I break
strong
it?
that is.
I felt like it slipped.
You did? Okay, plug it in.
No.
Plug it in.
Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. I just pulled on that connection like super hard.
It's starting to get me mad. Which connection? This one?
Yeah, did you see that? Okay, you broke them. Well, now you broke them.
I did it.
Well, we've been tugging on that pretty good, though.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I pulled on it a lot. You probably did a lot.
I was actually starting to, like, that was more of a genuine concern. It's like, how could you not break these headphones?
I pulled on it really hard.
Not
though.
you
I mean,
personally,
yeah.
but like, how could these headphones not break?
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. Okay, we know the point now. At least I can sleep tonight.
So if you're looking for a really durable pair of headphones, these are them. And we'll have a link down below in the description if you would like to check them out. I definitely think that these things would last quite a while with your normal like wear and tear. And even if you accidentally kind of caught it on something, I definitely think they would withstand quite a bit of brute force. Of course, there is always a breaking point. But seriously, it seems like unless you're hanging from it, it's not gonna break. Thanks for watching, and Unbox Authority out.